Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone, my name is Arlina. Thank you for Mr. Acep Hadudin MPD, my lecture. Now I will explain about morphosyntax. In general, morphosyntax is how we investigating forms in language. Morphosyntax is a linguistic term that combines two essential components of language analysis, morphology and syntax. It refers to the study of how words are formed, morphology, and how they are combined to create phrases and sentences, syntax. Morphology is the study of the internal structure of words and how they are formed from smaller units called morphemes. Morphemes are the smallest meaningful units of grammar in language. They can be roots, prefix, suffix, or infix. Morphology examines the rules and patterns for creating and inflecting words to convey different grammatical information such as tense, number, gender, and case. I will give you example. In English, the word unhappiness consists of three morphemes. First, un, this is a prefix meaning for not, and second is happy, a root, and then ness is suffix indicating a state or quality. And I will give you another examples. The verb works inflects for the third person singular present tense, where s is added to the base from verb. And this is the latest example I found on the book. For example, in Swahili, spoken throughout East Africa, the form nitakupenda conveys what in English should have to be represented as something like I will love you. Again, in Swahili, we say nitakupenda, and in English, we say I will love you. Okay, and now I will explain about syntax. Syntax, on the other hand, is the study of the structure of sentences and the rules governing how words are combined to form grammatical phrases and sentences. Syntax explores how different elements of a sentence, such as nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, and others, are arranged to create meaningful and well-formed utterance. If we concentrate on the structure and ordering of components within a sentence, we are studying what is technically known as the syntax of a language. The word syntax came originally from Greek and literally means a setting out together or arrangement. I will give you example in English. First sample is the sentence. The cat is sleeping on the mat. The cat is sleeping on the mat follows a typical subject, verb, object, or SVO word order, which is common in English. And the second example is the phrase big red ball shows the adjective noun order, where adjectives precede nouns. So, the summary is morphosyntax as a combined field of study investigates how the morphological properties of words interact with the syntactic structure of sentences. It explores how morphological features such as inflections or word order contribute to the overall meaning and grammatically of sentences. Morphosyntax is crucial in understanding the complexities of language and how words and sentences are constructed to convey meaning. It is a central area of research in linguistics and helps linguists analyze the structure of different language and the variations that exist across language in terms of word formation and sentence constructions. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.